Okay, whenever we are multiplying and dividing with scientific notation, you will always get to use a calculator. So basically what I'm going to show you is how to put it in the calculator, how to put scientific notation in the calculator. So here's our calculator, and we're going to start with our first example A. Okay? What you do is you put the first number, okay, 5.23, to represent times 10. Okay, don't put the times 10 in the exponent. Don't do that. Use this button right here. Okay, it's the EE button. I'm going to show it to you. This button right here, EE. That's the one we use. Okay, press it. And you see what that does? It puts your little exponents right there for you to do your scientific notation. All right, so in this example, it's times 10 to the 6. Put a 6 up there. Okay, so I'm putting in this number right here. It's times, so then I'm going to put times, and all that did was change it out of scientific notation, and that's fine, don't worry about that. Okay, then I'm going to put in my other number, 7.1. Use that EE button, puts those numbers up there for you, and then you can put in -2. -2. Okay, equals. There's your answer. Now, depending on what it wants you to do, if it wants you to put your answer in scientific notation, you would need to convert that, which we just went over. Okay, or if it doesn't specify, you can leave it like this, but I am going to want it in sig figs. So here's 3 sig figs here and 2 here. Your answer needs the same number as the one with the least, so that would be 2. Okay, so I'd go over here and I would go 1, 2. I need to stop at the 7. The 1 does not bump it up. So put in placeholders for those other ones. That would be my answer. Rounded to the right number of sig figs. All right, for this one, okay, 5.44. And then to represent this, here's that EE button that I showed you. Push that button, puts this up here for you, and you can put in 7, which is what's here. This should look like this. This time it's divided by, so hit that divided by sign instead. Okay, and then you put in your other one. 8.1. Represent this, hit that EE button. That's going to represent the times 10, and then you need your exponent up here, so we do 4. All right, and then just hit equals. We have this answer. It's actually 671 decimal and lots of decimals. So let's count our sig figs. We have 2 here, and we have 3 here. Our answer needs 2. So I'm going to go back to here. 1, 2, 6, 7, because that 1 after the 7 does not bump it up. So it's going to be 6, 7, and I got to put a placeholder in though because that's 671. My answer needs to read 600 and something. They have to stay the same, so you have to have placeholders. And that has 2 sig figs.